In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a YouTube video into CapCut, step by step. The process is quick, simple, and easy to follow, so let's get started. First, open up a web browser and head over to YouTube. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. From the left-hand menu, click on Content, and find the video you want to use. Next, click on the three dots next to the video and choose Download. Wait for the video file to finish downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, open CapCut and go to the Media section. Click Import in the top left corner, then locate the downloaded YouTube video on your device. Select it and click Open. Finally, drag the video into your timeline, and it's ready to be edited inside CapCut. And that's it. That's how you can easily import a YouTube video into CapCut. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.